One of the benefits of Office 365 is having access to your work files from anywhere on any device. Office 365 gives you two ways to store your work in the cloud: OneDrive for Business and SharePoint sites. Let's take a look at OneDrive first. When you work in an Office app, save files to the OneDrive folder, much like you save files to a folder on your computer. When you save files here, they sync to the cloud and you can get to them from anywhere, including a web browser or a phone. You can get to OneDrive on your computer by opening File Explorer, or get to the same files online in Office 365 by choosing OneDrive. With OneDrive, no one else can see your files unless you share them. You can share individual files or a folder with multiple files. Another way to store work files in the cloud is to put them on a SharePoint site. In Office 365, choose SharePoint. Then your site. When you store files in SharePoint, your team or even the entire office can see or update the files. Like OneDrive, you can get to your work files from here, or a phone with the SharePoint mobile app, or your computer if you've synced files there. Unlike OneDrive, you can customize a SharePoint site by adding pages, apps, and a company logo, and turn it into your own intranet. If you create a group or a team in Office 365, a SharePoint site is included. Use this site for short-term projects or when working with clients to share and collaborate on files. Learn what else you can do with OneDrive and SharePoint in Office 365.